Hey folks, welcome back to Shotgun Versus. Today we're looking at probably the largest target we've seen to date. No, second largest, sorry, because of the office chair. Today we're looking at a microwave. This was generously donated by a man in the town of Osgood during a garage sale. And so we're going to set this up and see exactly what happens. Now, my theory, although I have been wrong before when it comes to this, my theory is that the birdshot won't penetrate the microwave. There is just too much in the way. There's glass, there's metal, there's plastic, it's thick, it's heavy. I really don't think the birdshot's going to go through. But that's what this channel's about, so let's find out. Well, that's looking smoky. Let's have a look at it. Well, I guess people should start calling me Nostradamus, because my predictions are always wrong. So here we see it went through, shattered the glass like nothing, went through the metal grating, destroyed the inside of the microwave, went out the back plate, and kept the fuck going. Holy crap, I didn't expect this at all. I'm doing this show, I figured we'd see some interesting results, but I just keep getting more and more impressed with this stuff. Number 2 steel birdshot in a Magnum caliber for a 12 gauge is starting to look scary, really scary. That's incredible. So yeah, point definitely goes to birdshot.